Hey guys, here we are in Sanibel. We just got down here after a 2-day drive. The damage is crazy, almost unrecognizable. I'll do a couple shots panning around it, but we're here to pick up the Cobra, bring it home to Cincinnati to rebuild it. Sucks seeing this car in a state. This thing was beautiful just a few months ago. It's a Backdraft replica with the 427. Got a lot of good memories in this car, but our objective is to bring this thing back to a better condition than it was before. So hopefully we have smooth sailing for the rest of the trip, bring this thing back to Cincinnati and see what we can do with it. Hey guys, just got back late last night from Florida. It is just above freezing today, so I don't know how long this thing's gonna sit before it gets started on. So I'm gonna get the pressure washer out, spray this thing down, see if I can get some of the salt water out of the frame, spray underneath the hood, just kind of give it a go through because it might sit for another 3 or 4 months or so before it gets started on getting torn down. Or we're not even really sure who's doing it. I think my dad's doing it. But let's get this thing ready for storage. So just in case anybody missed it, this thing was submerged in 8 foot of salt water in Sanibel, and then it sat for 2 or 3 months untouched in the humid garage with the garage doors ripped off. This thing had floated around the garage. Anything that I'm doing to this thing with a pressure washer is helping it because everything needs to be replaced. Just trying to battle rust before it gets too bad on it. So I'm gonna take this thing and I'm gonna go over it with my foam cannon, wipe it down. It's got an oil residue on every inch of this thing because as soon as the water came in, all the oil migrated out the top of the motor and coated everything. So the whole time I'm spraying this thing down, there's oil dumping from every crack and crevice on it. It's sad. This thing was a beautiful car. I'm sure we're gonna bring it back at some point. I just gotta make sure I get the salt off of it. Hey guys, I just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. Hopefully there'll be more to come on the Cobra. As soon as we get a game plan down on it, would love to see the car in the condition it was before. I think it's a beautiful car. Arguably, I think it's one of the most beautiful cars ever designed. And I'll be lucky enough, I hope to work on it and get that engine pulled out, and hopefully we'll be shooting video during the whole thing. Thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button.